Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, we're going to be doing a simple go-to makeup routine. It's not really much different from the previous ones I've done, but I just feel like because I have gotten my application time down to like half, I'm kind of low-key excited about it. So I wanted to share that with you guys and just show you guys how you can do a full makeup routine using only one palette. I mean, as far as the contour, highlight, eyeshadow, all of that is in this one palette. Like, it's in the whole palette. So guys, without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into the video and you can see how I achieve this simple go-to makeup routine.
Alright guys, so here we're in our Black Radiance Contour Kit, and I'm going in with the scope, and I'm just going in and blending that out as the shade for my eyelid.
First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot, get ya. The door's OPN, take the hot road and hop in. First impression, you OPN, we should be closer than friends.
Alright guys, I'm going in my Benefits primer, and I'm just applying it all over my face. And I don't like to use a lot because it can get like almost not gritty, but it just has this, I can't even explain the feeling, but I don't like to apply a lot, like maybe like a drop and that's it to my whole face. But I'm going in with my Clinique's foundation in the shade Caramel, and I'm applying that all over, and I'm just blending it out with my brush. I know some people use different techniques as far as sponges, but I like the brush technique, but really either can work, like either way can apply, you know. I'm trying to get it out, but either way you apply it can really work. The brush, sponge, however you find out works best for you, you know, do your thing. But I'm going in now with my Maybelline Fit Me in the shade 360, and I'm just applying that on top to set my foundation, as well as I'm going in with my Tarte Shape Tape for my concealer under my eyes. I'll do a little bit of my nose, all in my T-zone area. You'll see me apply all my concealer too.
Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe, heartache complications. Open up. Need to reread our conversation. Got me contemplation over our situation. Open up. You OPN, hit you on BBM. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN.
Alright guys, and next I'm going in with my Black Radiance contour stick, and I'm just doing the C. I'm doing a C shape in the outer areas of my face, on where I want to like bronze out, basically to help you know where the contour is, to be all the areas where you want to basically bronze or kind of like highlight areas. So that's where I normally do my C area at, and that really helps a lot because it helps shape my face too as well from the concealer, and help blend out everything the way it should once I apply my finishing spray. When I apply the setting powder on top of it, it really just helps blend everything out.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends.
Here I'm going in with my Laura Mercier setting powder, and I'm just gonna blend that in. I'm not gonna I don't do the baking. Well, I don't even know if people still say that, but I don't do that. I work my setting powder in. I find that it helps me more eliminate the creases, because I was at one point finding myself still having a lot of creases when I baked. So I like to work it in, and I found that I have better results with working it in than I did baking. So if you have any issues with creasing, I would try to work it in the setting spray and see how that works for you, because I have found that to have better results when set up baking. And basically I'm going in every area that I apply concealer, and I'm applying the setting powder. I hope I didn't say setting spray. If I did, y'all know what I meant. But setting powder in all the areas where the concealer was, to just eliminate creasing in all areas.
Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up. Tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. Open up. Need to deep breathe.
Alright guys, so I'm using a mixture of my Maybelline Fit Me foundation, my Maybelline Fit Me blush, as well as my MAC blush, and I'm mixture. I don't know why my words are not coming out well, but I am combining the two because one is a more it has a pink undertone, and the other one has a more bronze. I can't even explain it. Like, it has a more bronze undertone, which helps even them out, because I wouldn't look right with a really pink blush compared to someone who may have a different skin tone than me. So I have to blend it out, but I still like that blush, so I use them both. And I always carry it out above to my temple, because when I bronze it out, it kind of like just helps blend everything out and looks more subtle. So that is what I did. If you see me go up to the corners, and now I'm going in my contour kit, and I'm using the scope, and I'm actually just shaping around the contour areas that it tells you that you're supposed to use it for. So I go around and do that in those areas, and then I also go in and use the highlighter from that kit and highlight those areas, such as like basically everywhere my T-zone, the forehead, the nose, the high cheekbones, everywhere. All those areas are the areas that I tend to highlight. I sometimes do above my lip and also my chin. It just really depends on the look that I'm looking for. For this simple natural go-to look, I'm not really going to be going so much in detail with my highlight, but I will apply it.
First impression, you OPN. We should be closer than friends. If you OPN, engaging you's on my agenda. Request my chariot to get ya. The door's OPN. Take that hot road and hop in. Monarch butterflies, you should open up. I'm trying to put your heart together, found it broken up. Going up in smoke, smoking up. Make sure the children in the house, she's inappropriate. The way she's approaching us, I disassociate. Exfoliate, the renegotiate. She's closing up. Come to visit me, she say that she the loneliest, and it's hard to open up. Open you up like a Pokeball. Open up, tear you out for a Pokeball. Let your emotions waterfall on me. Open up. open up. Need to deep breathe, heart and complications.
Alright guys, and for this part here, I like to put a little bit of my eyeshadow on my water lid, and I just like the way that it looks and how it makes my mascara pop when I put the mascara on my bottom lash. It kind of like sets the whole look here. So as you can see here, I'm just applying a little bit of shadow on my waterline here, and then next I'm going in with my mascara and just applying it to my bottom lashes. And I like the way I like applying mascara to my bottom lash because it just really makes the whole look stand out, and I feel like it draws more attention to my eyes. So I definitely love to put mascara on my bottom lash. This is optional for anyone. You know, for a natural go-to, some people may feel like that may be extra, but you know, that's just however you prefer your makeup to look. I just like the way it makes my eyeshadow pop at the bottom.
Open up, shut it down like a Macintosh. Open up, open. Cold as ice and Coca-Cola. Open up.
Alright guys, so that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this tutorial. Don't mind me, I'm just trying to get myself together, see how I'm feeling my look, you know, checking myself out. But guys, as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.